channel. Today I wanted to show you guys my room tour, my esthetician room tour. I currently rent a suite in an office space. Let's get started with the video. The door, so this is where like my clients come in and out. This is like the reception area. So this wall, I have this wallpaper that I purchased from Amazon. I believe in total it cost, I don't remember, but I'll put it somewhere around here. That way you guys get an idea of how much I spent in my studio. So I have this wallpaper that's from Amazon. I wanted to purchase a wallpaper that kind of matched the door so that it could blend in good. And then I also wanted something gold. And the only reason why I wanted something gold was because I had purchased this mirror from Marshall's. And this mirror cost $27. It was on sale. So it was on sale for $27 because there's like a little crack right here on the edge. You can't really see it, but it's there. And then I have a neon sign right up there. I purchased it from Etsy. It just says glowy skin. And right here I have my reception desk. So I purchased this reception desk from Home Depot. And it's been one of the best purchases I've done for my suite. I'm not sure if this is something that solo estheticians do. I haven't really seen it anywhere else, but I wanted my suite to feel more professional, and I wanted to have my clients check out at a desk. So I was like, I need a reception desk, and I found the perfect one at Home Depot online, their online store. One of the reasons why I decided to purchase this reception desk was because of the display that it has down here. So it's great to store your retail products or decorations. So it definitely looks very, very classy, very, I don't know how to describe it. It's just, look at that. If you guys want a full depth tour of the desk, let me know and I can film that for you guys. So right here I have my infection control standards form, and this one is the complaint form. And then right here I have my license, my esthetician license, aesthetic salon license, and my tanning facility license. So I recently got this one when my suite got inspected by the state board. They did mention that if you do have an LED light, if you use anything that has LED light in it, you are required to get a tanning facility license, which I had no idea about, so I had to purchase that. I don't have any of my other certificates up, and I just feel like the minimum is just better. It looks more elegant in a way for me. And then right here, this is my client's chair. So I only have one chair in here. I was planning on purchasing like a bench instead of a chair. So I'm still planning on doing that, but for now I am just using this chair for my customers. So right next to the chair, I have this cabinet drawer that I actually got for free, thankfully, thank God. I have all my SD Max Hydro Jelly masks here, and then I have my products right here, my cleansers, literally everything. Here, I have like my blankets, I have robes, and then down here, aesthetic wipes and baby cotton pads, which I use to wipe off the first cleanse and facial. I have a few samples in there. They just have extra supplies that I need. Here I have my steamer, and then in this cup right here I can put like some herbs with essential oil or like a more aromatherapy treatment or steam. And now of course, right here I have my facial bed, which I purchased from Amazon. This was like one of the first equipments I purchased for my business. So I have my bolster, and then I also have a heated mattress pad underneath, and some foam, which I purchased from Amazon. Of course, an esthetician chair. I can't remember where I purchased this or how much it cost, but I'll link it down below. Underneath the table bed, I just have my LED light and 2 gallons of distilled water for the steamer and a bar stool. And right here I have my microdermabrasion machine. I just have a couple products down here. My massage oil, serum for my oxygen infusion, conductive gel for cold therapy, and the ultrasound. My clean implements down here. And right here I have a laundry basket that I purchased from Marshalls. I think it was like 20 bucks. It has a lid on it, of course. Right here I have my wax warmer. I have my towel warmer, which was also one of the first equipments I ever purchased. Below the towel warmer, I just have this small cabinet that I purchased from Home Depot. It has a couple shelves. I think it has 5 shelves and then this drawer. That is all for this video. If you guys enjoyed watching, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know what videos you guys would like to see for this channel, and I'll see you guys for the next one.